At Jason Windows, we pride ourselves on providing professional and quality work, as well as a personal touch to both our residential and commercial clientele. That's why Edith Cowan University looked no further than Jason Windows for a recent commercial project.
So the project facility manager of ECU contacted Jason Windows. They'd previously had a near-miss accident doing some repairs toward the windows, and they also had students that were hanging out the windows and taking fly screens out, etc.
Under the National Construction Code, windows with a fall height of more than 2 metres, legislation requires these windows to be fitted with fall prevention devices such as window restrictors or security screens, depending on the room and window location. One of the drawbacks with window restrictors is it limits the window's opening to 125mm and offers poor ventilation. Fitting the windows with security screens removes the need for window restrictors and allows the window to be fully open and also keeps residents safe. And a commercial project of this size requires transparency and open communication from the get-go.
I thought during the consultation period it was important to make a good relationship with them and invited them to come down, participate in a facility tour, and that really impressed them.
In combination with different aged buildings, existing frames and window types, Jason Windows was able to source the correct fitment for each specific frame. One of Jason Windows' major drawcards is our ability to secure screens from inside the property, so a high-rise building has no hindrance on the job at hand. Almost 1,300 screens across multiple campuses were installed. So whether it be a large-scale commercial project or home security, for peace of mind, contact the team at Jason Windows today.